Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to make your YouTube channel logo on your phone. So let's start. First open Google Play Store and search for Design Evo app. This app is completely free, so download it and open it right now. When you open the app, you'll see many templates. And if you swipe left, you'll see many categories. In this app, they have a wide range of categories. So pick one you like. I'll just randomly select a category and select a template and start editing. I'll tap on the icon and resize it and change the color. You can also add a new color by tapping on the plus icon. Now tap on the text component and you can easily remove it by tapping on the cross icon. I will rename this text element to My Channel. You can change the font if you want to. Now tap on the paint icon at the bottom of the screen to change the color. And tap on the AA icon to change its size, spacing, and add curvature. And just like that, you can also edit the slogan. I'll just change the font. And rename it to Subscribe. I'll keep the logo like this. Now tap on the blue Save icon on top right corner to save your work. Now tap Save. You can save it as a JPG, PNG, or even transparent PNG. I'll choose transparent PNG. And the logo will be saved to your gallery. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.